Yo, what is up, everybody? This is Cushion Tech here, and today I am going to be coding. I am going to be showing you how to find the length of the last word in a string with my own implementation. And before you do, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to my channel, ring that notification there, and watch more shows. Alright, let's begin. The first thing I'm gonna do is declare my function int, which will return an integer of length it's my own solution. It's my own solution. Oh, I need to do like a using name. I have to include so many includes such include fish pool, include string, include array, include vector. I have to do like an include vector, and I have to do a using namespace std, using namespace std, where like I'm gonna create a count variable which will keep in track of like the number of characters in the last instead of equal to 0, which will keep in track of the number of characters in the last word of the string. And I'm gonna start, and for this one I'm gonna loop from the back. For this one I'm gonna loop from the back. I'm gonna loop from the last element till the first element, where loop from the back just so I can get the first element. And I'm gonna do an I'm gonna loop from the back rather than just to be safe. And like and I'm gonna do like an if statement where I say if s at I double equals space, and the count doesn't equal 0, which tells that we already passed the we already like passed the last word. Already passed the last word, which we already tell us. We break out of the loop, which when we do a break statement, the loop stops running. And then like we do another if statement where it counts like the number. If, let's see, s at, where like it checks for the non-spaces, where like the spaces, where it checks for like where it checks for the non-space characters, which will be the word, which will be the word, in which, by the way, this is one of the most common coding. By the way, this is one of the most common coding interview questions, and don't copy this, okay? Don't copy this. There are many ways you can do it though, but here's my own implementation of doing it. And after that, we return the count. And I'm going to create an int main where I return 0. Or I could just main where I return 0, which the main function will always which will always run first, the main. Return 0, and like I will create a string, call this function called length of int length last word equals length of, because we have to set this to a variable, because like this function returns an int, and if we want to like do that, we have to say hello, let's see, hello, I'm Paul, and then hello, I'm Paul, and then we do like, and then we do a count length of word, and we do like an end. Oh, we need to forget some in. And that's all the errors. And now let's run this to see what it does. Yes, and the length you see here is 4 because Paul's the last word, and Paul has a total of 4 characters, so it's 4, and that is it.